Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dayton Reinsberger, and I am the Chief Revenue Officer over here at Niche Capital. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys and break down what are no-doc loans and how can they help your business. So it's very simple, actually. No document loans can be a little deceiving as they're not quite fully no document. Some lenders do just require a credit application. However, typically most lenders want to see 3 months bank statements as well as the credit application. Now, the reason these are called no document loans is because these loans do not require a plethora of financial documents such as tax returns and P&L statements, balance sheets, and all this sort of thing. No-doc loans are meant to be very quick, simple, streamlined loan processes that work in order to give the business owner capital quicker rather than later without you having to provide a lot of documents. Typical requirements for these loans are going to be being around for at least 6 months in business and at least $20,000 in monthly revenue. For these particular loans, the credit score can typically go as low as 600s, but obviously, as most of you will know, the better your credit, the better loan you're going to be approved for. The better your financials and revenue, the better your loan is going to be. Now, that doesn't mean you have to do $1 million a month in revenue. All that matters is that you should have decent credit, and the better credit you have, the better loan terms you get, and the more consistent your revenue is, the better shot you have at getting better loan terms. Now, things to look out for when navigating no-doc loans are cost on the loan. You don't want to have to pay huge points and huge fees and big interest rates just to get capital fast. So make sure you always take advantage of our lender match technology where we're able to put you with the correct lender that has been vetted out and is going to give you preferred rates and preferred terms. Guys, no-doc loans can help your business and put you guys in a good position in order to get cash quickly so you can grow your business without having to spend a lot of time on getting approved for an SBA loan or something along the lines of that. If you're a business owner and you need cash sooner rather than later, a no-doc loan might be a good solution for you. Guys, my name is Dayton Reinsberger. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer over here at Niche Capital. Make sure you go to our website, click on Get Started, and apply today for your no-doc loan. Bye for now.